In today's news headlines, the police have seized 9 dangerous tools in the Jarrett Lane area. A major police operation has resulted in the discovery of 9 dangerous tools in Jarrett Lane off Mountain View Avenue in Kingston. The Constabulary Communication Unit has confirmed that a major operation was underway in Jarrett Lane and adjoining areas of Mountain View Avenue. The police recovered 9 dangerous tools. The operation went on with a concentration on Jarrett Lane, and all reports that were presented were preliminary in nature. Members of CTOC conducted the operation. 1 man has been held following the seizure of 9 dangerous tools in Mountain View. Law enforcement officers have mentioned that the raid targeted this individual, who has been repairing these dangerous tools for unscrupulous individuals across the island. 1 man has been apprehended following a massive operation by the security forces, which led to the seizure of 9 dangerous tools in Mountain View on Friday. The police have mentioned that following an intensive intelligence gathering process, CTOC, along with support from Special Operations and other formations, conducted an operation at an address in Jarrett Lane where 9 dangerous tools were found, along with a quantity of accessories and other items. The main target of the operation was a man who works on repairing these dangerous tools for various dangerous groups across the island. He has been quite elusive, according to the police. The JCF, in a release, mentioned that the operation has dealt another serious hit to the dangerous groups with the discovery of these dangerous tools. The JCF's High Command is hailing the seizure of a cache of dangerous tools and accessories in the Jarrett Lane section of Mountain View as a significant development in the Constabulary's ongoing pushback on dangerous activities and dangerous groups across the island. The latest development is a part of the continuing counter-dangerous group strategy of targeting, which involves the targeting of persons who comprise the critical support systems of these dangerous organizations. The JCF has mentioned that they will continue to focus significant assets on identifying and pursuing the prosecution of individuals and groups that are involved in enabling these dangerous groups, particularly with dangerous tools and accessories. Investigations into Friday's discovery are still ongoing. 8 dangerous tools were seized by law enforcement officers in operations between Friday and Sunday. 8 dangerous tools and 87 rounds of accessories were seized between Friday and Sunday as law enforcement officers continue their heightened operational activities to increase public safety and security of citizens across the island. On Friday, close to 10:15 p.m., a Taurus dangerous tool was seized in Belvedere, Bethel Town in Westmoreland after the driver of a motor vehicle was instructed to stop. The vehicle was searched and the dangerous tool was found. 5 occupants of the vehicle were taken into police custody. Another dangerous tool, along with a 9mm and 25 rounds of accessories, were seized on Saturday, following police operations on Clayton Close in Spanish Town in St. Catherine. Reports are that close to 5:15 a.m., a man who is a person of interest was seen in a vehicle which was subsequently searched, and the dangerous tool was found. Minutes later, another dangerous tool was found under a metal container. The individual was arrested in connection with the seizure. Sunday, close to 9 a.m., a Browning dangerous tool along with 18 rounds of accessories were seized following a snap operation on Olivier Road in Kingston 2. The dangerous tool was found hidden in a chicken coop. 1 man was taken into custody. A few hours later, close to 5:30 p.m., law enforcement officers assigned to the Augustown Police Station seized .380 dangerous tool and 5 rounds of accessories in Bedward Gardens in Kingston 7. 1 man was arrested for attempting to escape from the police. While this incident was unfolding, The Constant Spring Police seized a 9mm dangerous tool and a Beretta along with 32 rounds of accessories in Aki Walk in St. Andrew. One man was taken into police custody along with the dangerous tools with the accessories that were found in his possession. He was arrested in connection with the discovery. Later that evening, members of the quick response team were on patrol in Q Lane in Kingston 5 when a group of men ran on seeing them. Checks were made to a premises and a Smith 9mm dangerous tool with 7 rounds of accessories were found. One man was taken into police custody. The police are renewing their appeal to the public to report the existence of illegal dangerous tools and accessories to them. Persons may also contact them at 311 or report illegal activities to the nearest police station. Remember that your security is your top priority. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching. Goodbye.